You ever have to let go of things you love? Sometimes yes, sometimes you glue them back together. Hi, so meet my Nothing Ear One. A few weeks ago, the little plastic cover on the left earpiece just went on a little solo adventure and fell off. So yeah, I really didn't want to use them anymore. So I only have been using the right earpiece for the past few weeks. Yeah, and it's kind of ass. And I really love those earphones. They are a bit on the chunky side if you look on the case and everything, but they sound decent and design is just a chef's kiss. They are only 4 years old and frankly, my wallet isn't emotionally prepared to buy new ones. Plus the newer cases look and feel questionable, especially on the backside where you have some weird shapes and where dirt can, or not just dirt, everything can hold on pretty easily. So rather than swipe my card, I decided to fight for what I love. I tried researching repairs but came up empty on which adhesive to use. So I made this video for anyone else googling how to glue my earbud and finding nothing but forum ghosts. My fix is for the Nothing Ear One, but should translate to similar models. So just as a little DIY disclaimer, I'm not a professional repair elf, maybe a professional repair alien, but not an elf. If you try this and make things worse, it's on you, but seriously, what do you have to lose when fixing broken stuff? Except of a little dignity and maybe a tiny piece of plastic. So for preparing the repair, I have some kind of sheet of paper, so I just don't want to glue my fingers to the table. And for glue, I just use some kind of fast curing glue or adhesive. And I hope it works. You have to clean it beforehand. I did that already because, of course, I prepared. It's not just only, and it's not the second take. And another important thing, you shouldn't glue microphone holes. Yeah, which is pretty obvious, I think. You could clean it also with isopropyl alcohol, but I currently don't have it. Yeah, so I'm trying to fix, I hope the glue is it's working fine. As I'm not as well prepared, I have to use a knife to apply the glue because I have thick fingers. So what I did, I applied the glue to the inner side of the outer earpiece. And yeah, I hope this will work fine and I won't glue anything together. Oh, my finger's already sticking. It's I expected that. So, and now I'm pressing those together and hopefully they work, and that's it. Pretty anticlimactic, but in the best way. We stuck it back together and it looks and feels irresistible. Oh, fuck my finger. Oh, I hate glue. Sometimes I think like I'm a toddler and shouldn't be allowed to use glue and knives and everything that's related to it. So finally, it sits snug again, no weird rattle. I hope the sound is still intact. Will it survive pocket life, sweaty commutes, and my questionable treatment of electronics? Well, time will tell. I'll pin a comment with a long-term update, or maybe I just throw in a short video from around 2 weeks from now. If it fails, I'll either make a redemption video or accept my fate and buy new ones. I think the Nothing Ear 2A are kind of a good deal right now. Yeah, but I really love the Nothing Ear 1 because they are also a little bit of an OG product. So if you found this helpful, glue one of those like buttons to the video. Questions, better glue tips, or repair war stories, drop them in the comments. I'm all ears. If you want more slightly practical, slightly ridiculous tech fixes, subscribe. I currently don't have any earphones to fix, but maybe in the future we will see how good the fix will hold on. Because some things are worth fighting for and some things are just worth gluing back together. So thanks for watching, stick around.